So basically now everything is changed, and what we are going to do next is to try to put everything back on the place and try to start the car. And if still the car cannot start, we need to check all these fuse and relay and see if there's any relay which is broken. But basically I think that the relay here is not the problem, and you need to subscribe, and I will show you also how to check the relay to see if the relay is still working or not. So let's start. Right now we are going to put everything back. So we start with this one. Okay. No, I missed something. No. Salut. So basically I changed the starter now, and I put the battery, and what we are going to do now is to try to see if the car will start. Okay. Everything is clear. So I'm going to start the car right now, and we will see if the car will start. Let's have a last check to see if really everything is clean here. If you don't do any mess, it's close here. I think that the car should start. So still the car does not want to start, and I think that the issue is somewhere else. We need to check something else, maybe the relay now, and we are going to see why the car does not want to start. We are going to check the relay now, and maybe I spend that money for that starter for nothing. So I'm going to show you what is going on. So we are going to see still nothing, and I think that maybe now we need to see some relay. We need to test relay and see if relay is good or not. Basically here I have some parts that I'm going to try to I don't know now what to do. Maybe relay. Okay.